Configuring a Wealthfront Robo-Advisor account is a straightforward process that can help you achieve your financial goals with minimal effort and cost to start. You need to sign up for a Wealthfront account by providing basic information such as your name, address, and social security number. Once you have created your account, you will be asked to set your investment goals, including the type of account you want to open, such as a taxable brokerage account or an individual retirement account. You will also need to specify your risk tolerance and investment horizon. Wealthfront will then ask you a series of questions to determine your investment portfolio. This includes questions about your income, net worth, and debt, as well as your investment experience and risk tolerance. Based on your answers, Wealthfront will create a diversified investment portfolio tailored to your needs. The next step is to fund your account by linking your bank account or transferring funds from an existing investment account. Wealthfront requires a minimum investment of $500 to get started. After funding your account, Wealthfront will automatically invest your money in a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds. The portfolio will be regularly rebalanced to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals. One of the key benefits of using a robo-advisor like Wealthfront is tax loss harvesting, which involves selling securities that have declined in value to offset gains from other investments. This can help reduce your tax liability and maximize your returns. To get the most out of your Wealthfront account, it is essential to monitor your portfolio regularly and make adjustments as needed. You can do this by logging into your account online or using the Wealthfront mobile app. In conclusion, configuring a Wealthfront Robo-Advisor account is a simple and straightforward process that can help you achieve your financial goals with minimal effort and cost by following these steps and taking advantage of the key features and benefits of the Wealthfront platform. You can create a diversified investment portfolio that is tailored to your needs and helps you achieve long-term financial success.